Having trouble connecting your smart life devices to Alexa? The core issue usually boils down to problems with account relinking, skill synchronization, or device discovery. These three elements must be working correctly for Alexa to control your smart life devices. Understanding these processes is the first step to fixing the problem. Account linking failures have decreased 40% since December 2025 due to Smart Life's enhanced API compatibility, but issues can still arise. The first thing to try is relinking your Smart Life account to Alexa. This involves going into the Alexa app and reconnecting your Smart Life account through the Skills and Games section. This ensures Alexa has the correct permissions and up-to-date credentials to access your Smart Life devices. If you encounter errors, double-check your Smart Life login details are correct. Next, ensure the Smart Life skill is enabled and properly synced within the Alexa app. A skill mismatch can prevent Alexa from understanding your voice commands and relaying them to your Smart Life devices. Make sure you have the latest version of the Smart Life skill installed. Updating the skill can often resolve many issues. After relinking accounts and syncing the skill, Alexa needs to discover your Smart Life devices. This step scans your network to find compatible devices. Open the Alexa app and go to the Devices section to access device management. Tap Discover Devices to prompt Alexa to scan your network for compatible Smart Life devices. Wi-Fi stability is crucial for successful discovery. Make sure all devices in Alexa are connected to the same network. If Smart Life still isn't working with Alexa, try these common troubleshooting steps. First, reset the connections by disabling and re-enabling the Smart Life skill in your Alexa app. This refreshes the authentication and often resolves sync issues. Next, update both the Smart Life app and your Alexa device's firmware to the latest versions. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems. Then, check your router settings to ensure proper network configuration and confirm all devices are within Wi-Fi range. Weak signals can disrupt connections. Finally, try a simple reboot of your router. Power it off for 30 seconds, then back on. This clears temporary network issues and restores connectivity. These steps should resolve most common issues with Smart Life and Alexa integration. Keeping your Smart Life devices and Alexa devices updated with the latest firmware is crucial. Firmware updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that can resolve integration issues. Make sure to check for updates regularly in both the Smart Life app and the Alexa app. According to PC Mag, SkillSync failures dropped by 45% with automated prompts to update. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, here are some advanced solutions for Smart Life and Alexa integration issues. First, temporarily disable your firewall to see if it's blocking communication between Smart Life and Alexa. Next, check for conflicting integrations with other smart home systems that might interfere. If issues persist, contact Smart Life support for personalized help with your specific setup. Server outages are uncommon but can happen, such as the global cloud outage in 2025, affecting multiple services. Finally, check online forums and communities to determine if your issue is part of a broader problem affecting many users. The future of smart home integration looks promising, with trends pointing towards AI-driven automation and seamless cross-platform syncing. Standards like Matter are reducing the need for manual fixes by enabling better interoperability. AI assistants are predicted to auto-detect and fix sync issues by 2027, making troubleshooting much easier. Look for biometric verification by 2028 for increased security in smart home setups. Staying informed about these trends can help you proactively manage your smart home setup.